This video covers linking content from the file manager to your learning module. As a note, be sure you have some files in your file manager before going through this tutorial. In the practice course, be sure you're in the Build tab. Locate the experimental zone icon on the home page and click on it. Click on your learning module. Once inside your learning module, click on Add File and then select Browse for Files. A pop-up dialog box will appear in a few seconds. Make sure that the Class Files icon is selected and then click on your folder. Click in the checkbox of each file you want linked into your module. Then select OK. It may take a few seconds and then your files will appear in your module. And you can see my files are now linked in my learning module. If you look carefully though at my files, they are out of order. To put them in order, I need to click on the file I want my students to see first. In my case, it's the intro file. I clicked in the box to select it. Now I'm going to click on the icon next to the checkbox of the file above which I want my intro file to appear. I want it to appear above that one, and now my intro file is going to be what the students see first. I can also see that my example of the subjunctive mode needs to be reordered, so I'll click on its checkbox and then on the icon above which I want it to appear. Now my files are in the desired order. But it's always a good idea to make sure the module and the files are visible to students, so I'm going to go up to the Student View tab and select it. And after a few seconds, I'll see it as a student. I'm going to click on my experimental zone icon, and now I'll click on my module. And I'll give it a few seconds. If I'm on a wireless connection, it will take just a few seconds, and now you can see that my files have appeared. So my files are available to my students. That's always a good feeling. If you're wondering how to create a discussion for your module, take a look at the next video in the series, How to Add a Discussion into Your Learning Module.